Hey, I'm here for the job interview. Oh yeah, cool. Let me look this over. If you want to have a seat in there, I'll be out in like 5 minutes. Right there? Okay. Almost free. Jerry, what are you doing on that ZL1?
Everything. Literally everything, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'll come check with you in a minute. You want me to jack while you make sure stuff's clear? Or, never mind. Got this down. Nicely done, Matthew. Nicely done.
Thanks for all your help.
You said you didn't know. I kept trying to help. Unreal. Let me see what you got here, Jares. What do you got going on?
This is a Camaro.
Ooh, good job.
It's looking pretty stockish. Blower's already off.
Yep.
It's on its way to Kong. This is getting cam, valve springs, fuel system, mess system, headers. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. I think the paper has like 2 sheets.
It's a 2-sheeter?
2-sheeter.
Damn.
This is a 2-sheeter. Yeah, it's getting a lot.
Okay.
If you're wondering why he's able to talk so fast, he just drank a Red Bull at 5:15.
2015 C7 Z06. I already had a cam, quarter blower, expansion tank, intake, headers, some other stuff on it. All we did was, I'll put the full model list obviously. All we did was clutch, Meth system, lower pulley, and the 17 plus lid.
Flex fuel.
And flex fuel.
Which I don't think we're going to be able to use.
Not the fuel system, probably.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I was just gonna.
I mean, if we do, it's not gonna be much. Not anything that's gonna be worth it, is my guess.
So I was not here when they baselined it, but they did baseline it, made 664. So for the mods, the power.
11 pounds?
11 pounds. So it's stock boost, but it has a cam, so it would have dropped and headers. So
I think it had an upper on it. Yeah.
So upper would have increased, headers and cam would have brought it back down to stock level.
Is that like little dip switches you're doing?
This customers are also we've done. We've tuned 2 different cars from this guy.
It's Camaro and what else?
Twin turbo Camaro. And then the Chick-fil-A GTO.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did he get rid of the Camaro, I'm guessing? Because I think this is the same plate that was on. I'm guessing he got it.
No, he has both, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was talking to him not too long ago about it, and he said he was bringing this in whenever his date was.
Nice. I like the color.
Yeah.
It's neat.
Oh, neat. It's going a nature walk.
How neat is that?
That's neat. I don't know if the viewers remember that.
Just one of them things on YouTube. It's just so dumb.
I don't want to hurt the bear. I just want to say.
I don't want to kill the animal, but I do want to warn it and say, hey, I think you're pretty neat.
How neat is that?
That has to have millions of views.
Oh God, yeah.
Like the snake.
The one video is the only one that has like decent
I know,
views.
I know.
He's trying to like keep going with it and it just didn't.
I mean, not really. The Nature Walk episode 1 is 16 million.
Yeah. Okay.
But then he's got 1.4 million, 3.7 million, 1.8 million. He only has 66,000 subscribers, but his videos have a lot of views.
Well, it's not really a channel that you subscribe to. It's more so just like, hey.
He hasn't done anything in years, but yeah, you're right. Yeah, 16 million views. Let me see how many the snake has.
Snake. I'm a snake.
Oh God, that one.
29 million.
That's just a stupid.
Actually, there's two of them. One is 29 million. I guess there's an unedited director's cut as 2.3 million.
The internet.
If that channel was monetized, that dude made $100,000 or more.
For every millions, probably
Well,
3K.
nah, you gotta think it's only a 1-minute video.
Oh, sure.
So you can only put one ad in it.
50, 60K or something. I mean, good money.
Yeah, but it probably wasn't monetized. And you gotta figure that was 9 years ago, did it say? 10 years ago was the video, so I don't know how YouTube paid 10 years ago. Probably not like they do now. Still like,
probably making money every day on it.
Probably it's
20
that
bucks here
part.
and there.
So go watch those videos. Nature Walk and I'm a Snake.
Not so much that I'm a snake.
I'm a Snake is f***ing great. Because it's gonna get stuck in your head and then you're gonna like go to your girlfriend and be like, I'm a snake.
And then
She's gonna be like, what?
Girlfriend.
You're gonna be like a slithery little snake.
Just gonna dump you for being a weirdo.
It's fine. She's got a f***ing terrible attitude if she doesn't laugh at that.
Alright, first pull so far. Getting it dialed in. Let out early. Second pull, much better, obviously. Still a little rich up high. He's getting it dialed in. Dude, whatever exhaust this is
Yeah, what is it?
I have no idea. It's like vibrating my damn headphones.
Yeah, it sounds like it'd be very. Does it have valves in it?
No, I don't think so.
Sounds like it would be very drony.
Yeah. Like you're in the middle of a pull, my headphones are like whoa, 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 whoa.
Well, how do they go?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I just wanted to make sure.
I kind of need like plugs under my headphones.
Little pussies?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Pull. Good progression so far. Obviously made more torque than the last one, that's okay. Well, we're up 100 so far. Still on pump gas and meth. Being up 100 so far is pretty impressive considering really the only power mods is meth and lower pulley. We're really not up much boost. Half a pound.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's really not that much. Yeah. Yeah, not bad.
Clutch, obviously not a power mod. The 17 plus lid, that's not really causing maybe 5 horsepower.
I don't even know if they're anything on horsepower, just probably better cooling, yeah. I mean, I've never done a test, so I have no idea, but
that's pretty killer.
Someone on the internet has. Just saying, somebody has. Somebody with more time than me.
Dude, I literally thought I caught on fire.
I heard that, and I was like, dude, that's probably scared the out of me.
I knew it was coming, but I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
That's what she said.
And I was like, I literally just opened my eyes and was like, holy.
That was funny.
Yeah, that was a
This thing must have like either no muffler or like a straight through like muffler or whatever.
More importantly, 40% E in it right now, made 785, 799 torque. Pretty damn good.
Rowdy with the flames. When he races people, they're just gonna stop.
They're gonna be like, what the I would literally get scared. If I was next to this thing and that happened.
Plus, I know the way he drives too, he's gonna this thing up. Not like in a bad way, but like.
Oh my god. That is the most violent flame pop.
It's pretty cool, actually.
So apparently they're MagnaFlows. I asked Eric and he goes, yeah, there's an MF on the side. I'm like, Jesus.
They sound very drony.
Yeah.
Like I just think the stock mufflers on C7Z sound amazing, but yeah, they're very drony for
It's
sure.
so loud.
It is loud, yeah, it is loud.
The dyno monitor is like fritzing out.
And it's not even that it's like loud, like a stock muffler is loud.
Yeah, the trumpets.
Yeah, like loud. This is loud too, but it's
like
a deeper tone or different tone.
Jesus, that is violent.
So you make a power.
Yeah, very good power. I'm glad we were able to put some heat in.
Yeah, it's got like 52 in it.
Okay. I'm assuming duty cycle's getting close.
Yeah, it is, yeah. The Meth helps for sure.
Yeah. No way you'd be able to do that without the Meth.
No. Not even remotely close.
Yeah, that's good. You should be happy with that.
Yeah, this thing will be bad at. What did it baseline?
664.
So picked up 150. That's badass, yeah.
That's really good.
On the same boost.
Maybe half an hour.
Yeah.
So Meth, flex fuel, half pound of boost.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, if I'm next to this thing and he like shifts and that happens, I'm swerving off the road.
I can't wait to see his videos on Instagram.
Yeah.